日待たなきゃいけないんで、まあ時間がねなかなか取れないということ、それからあとまあ畑もやってるんで、それでねなかなかバイクに乗る時間が取れないんだけど、今日はあえてお客さん、予約入れるのをやめて、でトラックが事故ってた。でお客さん入れるのやめて、で朝からね風呂の手入れだけやって、で今お昼ちょっと前だけど走り始めたとこです。で今日は、午後2時からうちらのバンドキングラッドの、リハを1本やる、スタジオリハやるんだけどね。でそれまでの間ちょっと走って、で昼飯どっかで食ってみたいな流れでいきます。
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout, and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want 'em, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis.
はい、夕日が丘外目到着です。力じゃ走り足りないぐらいの距離だけど、いや暑い暑い暑いっていうか、まあ暖かいっていうか、俺は暑いけど、だって下にこれ2枚しか着てないんだよ、革ジャンの下。これでもこんなに暑いっていうね。今日は平日なのでバイクも少なくて良いです。
Do you feel courageous? Do you see greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life.
はい、今日のランチはね、三重の新漁港の長崎水産食堂です。ここは自分が好きなやつをね選んでトッピングおかず選べるんでね。ですぐ向こうがこの裏が漁港なんですよね。うわめっちゃ並んだ。ここは昭和22年の創業ってあそこに書いてあるんだけど、ここ埋め立て地なんで昔は多分ねこの辺りの違う場所にあったんだと思うんだけどね。でそこに営業時間が書いてあるけど、午前6時から午後2時魚市にね来る人たちのための朝ごはんとお昼ごはんの、まあ、場所ということ。ただ一般の人もね、入れますということです。はい、普通の海鮮丼1000円です。すごい盛り。 ますんで、
はいはい、
クチクチ
ぐちぐち。
クチクチ。よろしくありがとうございました。
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed.